See, if you think the moment you enter dentistry and wears a white coat, life is sorted, it's not like that. Dentistry is not just a course, it requires a hell lot of patience, struggles, and honestly, this is something I have been hearing from the moment I entered dentistry, and now when I'm about to complete my final year, I somehow agree to this. And these are all the things I wish someone has told me before I entered dentistry, and that's why I made this video today. And if you are confused whether you should do it or not, then let's be honest. This video is going to be the answer to all of your questions. Hello everyone, this is Simran, a final year dental student, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And this is the page where I share about my dental journey. Let's start with your expectations. Most people think that after completing dentistry, you can join a job at any clinic and you can earn a decent amount of around 50,000-60,000, but that's not true. After you complete your internship, you have to go to the clinic and do observership, where you don't usually get paid for that, and some clinics paid you even 10 to 20,000. That's the max you are going to pay after completing your internship. I know most of you must be thinking that after completing internship, why do you need a observership? But let's be honest, you don't get to know much about things in your internship, and you don't get to see much of the cases in your internship as well. You will be basically working 9 to 10 hours, and about the pay, let's just say you will question your decisions that time. Number 2, opening clinic. Yes, as said, a clinic is something where you can earn a very decent amount, but it's easier said than done. Everyone imagines a shiny dental chair, the patient lined up. What nobody tells you is that the cost is insane. Chairs, access setup, marketing, material costs, all of these things are insane. Not like opening a normal clinic or general clinic where you don't need much resources. If you go for MDS, the competition is crazy, the government seats are very limited. If you go private, the fees is sky high. Calculate, it's just 5 years of BDS, 3 years of MDS, and 1 to 2 years of prepping. That easily 9 to 10 years of just studying and training, and at the end you don't even know what are you going to do next, opening your own clinic or going to do a job. One thing you need to know is it's not a quick returning career, it's a slow steady climb. There will be times when you will question your decisions, when you will see your friends are planning their weddings, going on trips, and you are just studying and deciding what you should do next. If you are about to join college, just go through the syllabus once. Don't think of it as a chill degree. It's a 5 year long grind, and if you are a hustler, it's double the grind. Honestly, there is no answer to that. If I start about my case, I was not very much interested in degree when I started the college. Even after 1 or 1.5 years, I was like, it's going. But when I started doing patient, I just realized at the end of the day, I just fell in love with the beauty of dentistry, and there is no way I'm leaving this career. If you are still confused whether you should do it or not, just answer yourself, why do you want to be a doctor? If you are passionate about healthcare or treating patients, then it hardly doesn't matter whether you are doing BDS or MDS or any healthcare degree, you are ultimately treating patients. But if you want quick money, name, respect, then I'll suggest you to not to choose it, because ultimately you will feel drained out when you don't get to receive all of this at the end of the day, because it's a very long hustle and it's going to take a lot of your time, your 20s, and a lot more. It's all about skill. The more you practice, the better you get. Honestly, there is no way to know if BDS is for you or not before you join college. When I was about to enter college, all I heard that all dentists do is RCT, and I was very much disappointed by this fact that I cried for 2 days, and that was the reason I was not literally very much interested in the initial. You are going to be your own boss, you are going to build your business step by step. But if you still don't want to go for the clinic path, there are still some government and private jobs available in this both the respective sectors, and you can definitely check that out. Dentistry is all about skill. The more you practice, the better you get. But it takes time. The growth is unlimited, but only if you are stick with it. Please stop comparing yourself with others. Different pathways, different journeys. I have made this video to answer all those questions whose answers I once wanted but I didn't get. But if you have any more questions regarding dentistry and everything else, you can let me know in the comment section and I'll make a video regarding that. And if you are someone thinking of joining, I hope this gives you a little reality check, not to demotivate you, but to prepare you for the long journey ahead. And yes, if you stick around till the end of the video, please do hit a subscribe button. See you in the later videos.